Hello, my name is Leo. Today we're going to talk about reference systems. First, what is a reference system? A reference system is a system where somebody's motion is being observed. It can be inertial or accelerated. First is inertial reference system, where is applied the first Newton's law of motion, law of inertia. In this system, free body does not interact with system, and system's acceleration a0 is equal to 0, so the system does not accelerate. And accelerated reference system, where is applied the second Newton's law of motion, law of movement. Here body does interact with system, and acceleration of system is different from 0, so the system does accelerate, and therefore, because of system's acceleration, appears a special force called inertial force, here marked with Fi, which is minus mass times acceleration of system, and that minus says that inertial force acting on a body in system has an opposite orientation of a real force acting on the body. Now we have formula that force plus inertial force is equal to mass times acceleration of the body, and if we put that formula for Fi, inertial force, we get the second formula. And inertial force also appears due to change of body's direction in which the body goes through motion. For example, in circular motion we have centrifugal force, FCF here marked, which is actually a non-real force. Inertial force, which appears as a response to the real force acting on the body in circular motion, which is centripetal force. Thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed this video and stay with us.